So let us start the session today. Today we are going to start session number 2 of chapter number 3, playing with numbers. We are going to complete today prime and composite numbers. Okay, so let us start with the topic prime and composite number, and let us see the factors of numbers 1 to 12. Okay, so 1 का factor केवल 1 ही होगा, right? The factor of 1 is 1 only, and the number of factors is 1. Now the factors of 2 is 1 and 2, and total number of factors is 2. Similarly, what are the factors of 3?
1 and 3.
Very good, 1 and 3. So उसमें भी total number of factors हम लोग के 2 हो गए. Okay, now next 4. What are the factors of 4?
1 and 4.
1, 2 and 4. Right. So total कितने factors हो गए इसके? 3 factors. Right.
3.
Now let us move towards 5. 5 के
1 and 5.
right. Very good.
1 and 5.
1 and 5. So total 2 factors. 6, next number. 1.
1, 2,
So 1, 2, 3, 6.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 6. So total how many factors? 4 factors. Right. 7. Factors of 7?
1 and 7.
1
So
and
1
7.
and
Right. So total number of factors is 2. Right. 8. Let us move towards 8. The factors of 8 is
1, 2,
So 1, 2, 4, and 8.
8.
4, 8.
Right. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 8. So total how many factors? 4 factors.
4 factors.
Right. Now coming to the next number, 9.
1,
So 1 and 9.
Right. 1, 3 and 9. 1, 3 and 9.
3.
So total number of factors are 3.
3.
Okay. और 10 के factors हैं 1, 2,
2, 5. 1, 10. 5, 10.
Right. 1, 2, 5, 10.
10.
So total number of factors of 10 is 4. Now for 11 only 2 factors are there, 1 and 11. So 2. और 12 के बहुत सारे factors हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So total 6 factors are there. Right. Now if we observe this data, if we observe all the number of factors of a few numbers from 1 to 12, which is arranged in this table, so this can be classified into 3 categories. ध्यान से देखो, first category, the number having exactly one factor, only one number is there. The number having exactly one factor, only one number is there, 1. And the number having exactly 2 factors, जिसमें मैं underline कर रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो, only 2 factors. And the third category is the numbers having more than 2 factors, right? So first category is numbers having exactly one factor, that is only one number, 1. And the numbers having exactly 2 factors. And the third one is numbers having more than 2 factors, right? So these are the 3 categories. Now we will see one by one. So the natural number 1 is the only one number which has exactly one factor, the number itself. Okay, and each of the numbers that we have seen, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and after 11, 13, 17, 19, so on, has exactly 2 factors. Okay, 1 and the number itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. I repeat, इसमें ये सारे नंबर्स के 2 फैक्टर्स, एग्जैक्टली 2 फैक्टर्स. कौन कौन से हैं देखो, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 7 on 1 and the number itself. Suppose 11, 1 and the number itself. So the numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Okay, is that clear? The numbers having exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. And the numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. Right? तो यहाँ पे जैसे ये 4 है, 4 कंपोजिट नंबर है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका फैक्टर्स, नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स 2 से ज़्यादा है, 3. 6 कंपोजिट नंबर है. Why? Its factor is more than, number of factors is more than 2. Okay? So this is the definition of prime number and composite number. Now we are moving toward the next topic, co-primes. Co-primes is also known as relatively prime. So two natural number which has only one common factor, that is 1. So मैं फिर से पीछे जा रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो. अगर हम लोग ये दो नंबर ले रहे हैं, सपोज 1 2 4, देखो इसका दो फैक्टर्स, 3 फैक्टर्स है, 1 2 4, और ये, ठीक है, आई एम टेकिंग 4 and 9. So from this, what is the common factor?
1.
Only one.
1.
Yes, only one number is there, that is 1. So these two numbers are called co-prime numbers. So फिर से मैं बता रहा हूँ, two numbers are said to be co-prime numbers if they have only one common factor, that is 1. Okay, and that numbers are called co-primes or relatively primes. So example 2 3, 3 4, 4 9, just we have seen, 5 6, 5 7, 7 8 are co-primes. तो दो co-primes का ये मतलब नहीं है कि दोनों प्राइम नंबर होना चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने ये वाला एग्जांपल लिया था 4 और 9. सो 4 का फैक्टर्स जो था वो 1 था, 2 था और 4 था, एंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 9 is 1, 3 and 9, and the common factor between these two is only 1, that is 1. So that is why they are co-prime numbers. So first point of co-prime is that two co-primes need not both be primes. Example 3 4, 4 9, 7 8, these are co-primes. इसमें देखो 4 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, इसमें दोनों प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, इसमें 8 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. Okay? Now the second very important point is that any two prime number are always co-primes. Any two prime numbers are always co-primes, क्योंकि उनमें केवल एक ही कॉमन फैक्टर होगा, that is 1. So ये दोनों हो गया, 5 7 हो गया. Okay? Now the next one is that pairs of consecutive numbers, any consecutive numbers, pairs of consecutive numbers are co-primes. कोई भी एक consecutive number ले लो, 5 6, 7 8, 10 11, 14 15, any two consecutive, वो हमेशा co-primes होते हैं. Right? So इसके कुछ और important property देखते हैं. This is very important property. If a number is divisible by each of the two or more co-prime numbers, अगर कोई भी नंबर दोनों co-prime से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो उसके प्रोडक्ट से भी वो डिवाइड होगा. Right? If a number is divisible by each of the two or more co-prime numbers, then it is also divisible by their product. For example, एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल मैं ले रहा हूँ. राइट सर, जैसे 72 है, 72 is divisible by 4 also, 9 also. ठीक है, 72 is the number which is divisible by 4 and 9, and 4 and 9 are co-prime numbers. तो इनका प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा 4 और 9 का? 36. तो 72 जो है वो 36 से भी डिवाइड होगा. So this is one example. I will show you one more example. Suppose 6312 is divisible by 3 also and 4 also. Then it is divisible by its product, that is 12. 3 into 4, 12. It is also divisible by 12. So this is the property. Now we are moving towards one very, very important method to find the prime numbers from 1 to 10. Okay? So that method is known as sieve of Eratosthenes method. That method is known as sieve of Eratosthenes method. तो इसको कैसे हम लोग करेंगे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप करेंगे हम लोग. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट स्टेप, वी हैव टू क्रॉस आउट 1. Why? Because 1 is not a prime number. So हम लोग क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, देखो एक एक करके क्रॉस करेंगे. राइट? ओके. नाउ we have to encircle 2 first. Encircle 2. After encircle 2, we have to cross all the multiples of 2. All the multiples of 2 means even number. Even number, how will you identify? Unit place digit में 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो ये पूरे देखो यूनिट प्लेस के 2 वाले को क्रॉस कर लो पहले. यू क्रॉस ऑल द यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट 2. ध्यान से देखो 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. Now unit place 4. You cancel all the unit place digit 4 including 4. 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. Now unit place digit 6 including 6. 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96. Now unit place digit 8 including 8. 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 60, 68, 78, 88 and 98. Now unit place digit 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Right, this is the second step. Encircle 2, cross out all the multiples of 2 other than 2 itself. Right, now we will encircle 3. अभी 3 के जितने भी मल्टीपल्स बचे हुए मल्टीपल्स हैं, all multiples, now we are going to cross. So we will move from 1 to 100. देखो ध्यान से, 3 2s are 6 already cross है. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, cross. Next 18 already cross है. Next 81, next 24, next 27, cross it. 30 already crossed. 33, 36 crossed. 39, next is 42 already crossed है. Next is 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60. Next multiple 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. हो गया, स्टॉप. अब सेम वी विल डू फॉर 5. ठीक है, encircle 5 and cross all the multiples of 5 जो बचे हुए हैं, लेफ्ट आउट. सो मैं फर्स्ट रो में देखा एक भी नहीं है. सेकेंड रो ऑल्सो नथिंग इज देयर. थर्ड रो 25 नंबर इज देयर. ठीक है, यू 5 से जो डिवाइड होता है, 5 का मल्टीपल्स का यूनिट प्लेस में आइदर 5 होता है तो 0 होता है. सो ऑल जीरोज ऑलरेडी वी क्रॉस्ड इट. सो 5 वाला क्रॉस कर लेते हैं. 35, 55, 65, 85, 95. Now the next encircle number is 7. Now cross all the left out multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. 49 बच गया. 49, 56, 63, 70, 77 बच गया. Now 84, next number 91, 91 बच गया. Next number 98, over. Now we have to encircle 11. अभी 11 का मल्टीपल्स को क्रॉस करना है. So 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99 सभी क्रॉस्ड है ऑलरेडी. Now 13 को एनसर्कल कर दिए. 13 का हम लोग को मल्टीपल्स क्रॉस करना है. 26, 39, देन 52, 65, 78, 78, then next number is 91, over. ठीक है. Similarly 19, 17, 17 का multiples, 17 का multiples 17 to 34, 34 already crossed है, 51 already crossed है, 68 already crossed है, 85 भी crossed है, over. 19, 19 2s are 38, 19 3s are 57, 19 4s are 19 4s are 76, already crossed. Now उसके बाद 3 digit number आ जाएगा. Right, now next is 23. 23 2s are 46, 3s are 69, already crossed है. फिर next number is 92, that is already crossed. 29, encircle. 29 2s are 58, फिर 29 3s are 87, फिर हो गया. Like that 31 2s are 62, then 93. इसमें एक और नंबर बच गया 37. सो जो नंबर अभी बच गया है वो सारे प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. देखो 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67. We can stop here. 71. क्रॉस करना स्टॉप करके सबको एनसर्कल कर रहा हूं मैं. 79, 89 और 83. One more is left, that is 90. So how many prime numbers are there? 1 to 100 we will count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. सो 25 यहाँ पे प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. सो जितने क्रॉस्ड नंबर है, जितने एनसर्कल्ड नंबर है, all encircled numbers are prime numbers, and all the crossed numbers except one are composite numbers. So this method is called sieve of Eratosthenes method, right? This method is very useful to find the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so now we will move towards the next topic, twin primes. Twin primes पहले समझो क्या होता है. दो प्राइम नंबर जिसका डिफरेंस 2 है. I will go back. See, if you see 3 and 5, what is the difference between these two number?
Sir, 3.
2. 3 कहाँ से आ गया? 5 minus 3 is 2. The difference is 2. तो ये दोनों को हम लोग twin primes बोलेंगे. Similarly 5 7, any two prime numbers बोलो जिसमें 2 का डिफरेंस है.
11 3. 11 and 3.
11
And 3. 13 13. Sir,
11.
5 and 7.
okay, 5 and 7 already हो गया. 11 13, any other two numbers, two prime numbers?
13. 2 and 3. Sir.
2 and 3, the difference is 1 only.
17 19.
Right, 17 19.
41 43.
41 43, very good.
71 73.
71 73, very good. 71
13 19.
13
19.
13 19, difference is 6. Only difference 2 बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Okay, fine. So the prime numbers that differ by 2 are called twin primes. So some examples of twin primes already we have discussed from 1 to 100. 3 5 था, 5 7, 11 13, 17 19, 29 31, 41 43, 59 61 and 71 73, right? And the next topic is perfect numbers. Now perfect numbers किसको बोलते हैं, जरा ध्यान से सुनो. This is very very good topic. A number is called perfect number if the sum of all its factors is equal to 2 times the number, twice the number. मैं एक एग्जांपल से समझा रहा हूँ. जैसे what are the factors of 6? Tell me the factors of 6.
1 and 6 and 2 and 3.
1 2 3
1 and 2 and 3.
Okay,
1 2 3 6.
right. 1 2 3 6. Wait. 1 2 3 6. So 1 2 3, 6. Okay, Aditya, add these numbers. What you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 6. Yes, if we add this number, we are getting 12. So these are the factors of 6. Now 12 is 2 times 6. So 6 को हम लोग perfect number बोलेंगे, right? See, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6, and the sum of its factor is 12, which is twice the number. So 6 is a perfect number, right? Now we are moving towards some important facts about some prime numbers. So first of all, one fact is that number 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. This is the very important property, first one. And which is the smallest prime number?
2.
2. Very good.
sir.
Number 2 is the smallest prime number. This is the second fact, important property. And the next one is that number 2 is the only even prime number. Other than this number, all even prime numbers are composite number. Okay? And except every prime number except 2, जितने भी prime numbers हैं 2 को छोड़कर सारे odd numbers हैं. Okay, every prime number except 2 is an odd number, and composite number need not be even. Why? Because 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Composite number जो है वो even number होना जरूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि 9 भी composite number है, which is the smallest odd composite number, 9. And when we have seen that the method, Eratosthenes method, sieve of Eratosthenes method, in that 7 composite number, 7 consecutive composite numbers are there. That is 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Continuous, जो कि सबसे ज्यादा composite number है consecutive में, right? 7 consecutive numbers less than 100. Which are all composite having no prime number between them. This is very, very important property. Now next property is that every even number greater than 4 can be expressed as the sum of 2 odd primes. For example, 8. 8 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 3 plus 5. Suppose we are taking 10. 10 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, we can write 3 plus 7. Every even number greater than 4 we can express as a sum of 2 odd primes. Okay. Now the next one is that number of primes is infinite. Here infinite is used in the sense that no matter how many primes we have found, there are still more primes. क्योंकि prime numbers हम लोग natural numbers में से ही निकालते हैं और natural number infinite होता है, तो that is why we don't know the last prime number. Okay, that is not known. So all the number of prime numbers are infinite. Now there is no largest prime number because otherwise the number of primes would be finite. ये जो था भी मैं जो बताया था. Now the last one is that a natural number greater than 1 is either a prime or has a factor which is prime. Now this property is very interesting. Greater than 1 से बड़ा जो भी number है या तो prime number होगा या prime number का factor होगा वो. ठीक है? So we'll see some examples. Let us start with the first example. List all the prime numbers between 1 and 10. Muthu Prabha, list all the prime numbers between 1 and 10.
Sir, Muttu Prabha cutted the call.
Okay, Aditya.
2, 3, 5, 7.
Very good. 2, 3, 5 and 7. Only 4 numbers are prime numbers between 1 and 10. Now we are moving towards another very important question. Express 36, 80 as sum of 2 prime numbers. So 36 को how will you represent as a sum of 2 prime numbers? Sheikh Mohammed. दो प्राइम नंबर के सम के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है 36 को. हाउ विल यू रिप्रेजेंट? दो तीन कॉम्बिनेशन बना सकते हो, मैं एक कॉम्बिनेशन बना रहा हूँ. डोंट यूज दिस कॉम्बिनेशन. 31 और 5, 31 प्लस 5. चलो और एक कॉम्बिनेशन बनाओ.
Sir, 32 plus 4.
नहीं, यू हैव टू टेक ओनली प्राइम नंबर, नॉट कंपोजिट नंबर. एक और कॉम्बिनेशन मैं बता रहा हूं, 13 और 23. देखो 36 आ रहा है ऐड करने से. एक
23 plus 13.
13 प्लस 23 बोल रहा हूँ, तुम तो 23 प्लस 13 बोल रहे हो. ओके, एक और एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ. चलो 17 और 19. चलो ऐसे बहुत सारे कॉम्बिनेशन बना सकते हो. 36 का भी फर्स्ट आंसर है 17 प्लस 19. चलो 80. हाउ विल यू राइट 80?
Sir, 40 plus 40.
Only prime number you have to take. Only prime number, not other than any number. जैसे मैं एक एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ, 19 is a prime number plus 61. This is one combination. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे एग्जांपल बना सकते हो.
Sir, 41 plus 39.
41 plus 39 is not a prime number. Only prime number you have to take.
41 plus 43
41
plus 43.
तो वो तो 84 हो गया. Only prime number you have to take. ठीक है.
Sir?
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, 5 plus 75.
75 is not a prime number.
Sir,
बोलो.
sir, 19 plus 61 is 70, not 80.
भाई कैसे ऐड कर रहा है तू?
Sir, 31 plus 43.
एक मिनट गीतम, चलो इसको ऐड करके दिखलाते हैं. चलो what is 1 plus 9? Only Geetam will answer. 1 plus 9?
10.
10. So we have to write 0 here and carry 1. Now add this. 1 plus 6 plus 1.
8.
So 80 आ रहा है. You are adding only 1 and 6.
Sir.
70. Huh? Okay, fine. Next.
Sir, 37 plus 43.
37 plus 43. Very good. Okay, अभी जल्दी करते हैं, टाइम हो रहा है. So 19 plus 61 एक कॉम्बिनेशन ले ली. ऐसे बहुत सारे कॉम्बिनेशन बना सकते हो. Right. Now one more question. Express 32 as a sum of two odd prime numbers. अभी जो देखें वैसे ही है. चलो 32 को कैसे लिखोगे? 32. How will you write the sum of two odd primes? एक टोक मैं लिख दे रहा हूँ, 29 और 3. चलो इजी वाला मैं लिख दिया. अभी तुम लोग थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट वाला बताओ. आदित्य, एनी अदर कॉम्बिनेशन?
Sir, 19 plus 13.
19 plus 13. वेरी गुड, एक्सेलेंट. चलो 13 plus 19. और कोई? एनी अदर कॉम्बिनेशन?
Sir,
हाँ,
so 29 plus 3.
अरे वो तो ऑलरेडी मैं लिख दिया हूँ. एनी अदर देन दिस टू?
Sir, 30 plus 2.
Oh, 30 is not a prime number. Only odd primes you have to use. Odd number, odd primes. 2 is a prime number, but it is an even prime number.
Sir, 27, 5 plus 5.
27 is not a prime number. और कोई कॉम्बिनेशन बन रहा है?
Sir,
यस. अच्छा एक मिनट, थोड़ा थंडरिंग भी हो रहा है, करंट भी जा सकता है. 32 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 3 plus 29, या अभी जो एग्जांपल लिए थे वो भी लिख सकते हैं. 35. नाउ 35 वी हैव टू राइट एज द सम ऑफ 3 ऑड प्राइम्स. सो एक कॉम्बिनेशन मैं बता रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. 5 plus 7 plus 23. Okay, can you make any other combination?
Sir, 17 plus 13 plus 5.
17 plus 13 plus 5. Very good. Any other?
23 plus 7 plus 5.
23 plus 7 plus 5 already over. I wrote in the first. Okay, next is 5 plus 7 plus 23. All of you mute your mic. Okay, next question. State whether the numbers 25 and 27 are twin primes or co-primes. So 25 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, ध्यान से देखो how what are the factors of 25? 1, 5, 25. Only 3 factors. और 27 के factors 1, 3, 9 and 27. Okay, so first of all these two are not twin primes. Why? Because twin primes में दोनों prime number का difference 2 होना चाहिए, और 25 is also not prime number and 27 is also not a prime number. Now next, the common factor between these two is 1, so they are co-primes. Okay, इसको दूसरे तरीके से भी हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, but don't follow this method. 25 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 1 into 5 into 5, और 27 को लिख सकते हैं 1 into 3 into 3 into 3. So only one common factor is there, that is 1. So these are not prime numbers. Okay, no, these are only co-prime numbers. 25, 27 are not prime numbers, so hence they are not twin prime numbers. And since 25 and 27 are composite number having only one common factor, that is 1, therefore it is they are co-prime numbers. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards next question. Find whether each number is prime or composite. So we'll start with 7. How many factors are there? 7 for 7?
1,
2. Only two factors. That is 1 and 7. Right. So therefore it is a prime number. अगर exactly 2 factor है तो prime number है. More than 2 factors है तो composite number है. Okay. I repeat. If any number has exactly 2 factors, then it is a prime number. If any number have more than 2 factors, then it is a composite number. So 7 has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 7. So therefore it is a prime number. Now what about 39?
4.
Yes. एक मिनट, गीतम बोलो.
Sir, 4 factors.
Tell me, what are they?
Sir, 1,
Very good. 3
3, 13.
and 39. Right. Okay. Very good. So therefore it is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. Okay. Fine. Next is 43. So 43 again it has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 43. So therefore it is a prime number. Okay. 58. Next. This is 4th bit, not the second bit. This is 4th bit. 58. How many factors are there?
Sir, it's a composite number.
Correct, but you have to write the factors only, na? You have to write the factors first. It has 4 factors. 1, 2 into 29 hota hai, or 29 and 58. So therefore it is a composite number. Right. Now the next one, 5th one, 69. 69 also 4 factors. It has 4 factors, that is 1, 3, 23 and 69. Okay. So therefore it is a composite number. Now moving towards 87. 87 also has 4 factors, क्योंकि ये 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. 3 से जब डिवाइड करेंगे तो 29 मिलेगा. So 1, 3, 29 and 87, the number itself. So we have 4 factors, so therefore it is also a composite number. Now coming to the last one, that is 105. So 105 has how many factors? It has so many factors. देखो ये 1 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है, 3 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है, 5 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है, 7 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है, राइट. 1 into 105, 3 into 35, and 5 into 21, 7 into 15. So total 4 combination आया, तो that means 8. It has 8 factors. 1, 3, 5, 7, 15, 21, 35, and 105. So more than 2 factors, so therefore it is a composite number. Okay. So now we are moving towards next example. Write the first one, all even prime numbers. All even prime numbers. Question, jaldi batao, first का answer.
2.
Only one number, that is 2. Only one even number, 2, is a prime number. Now prime numbers between 90 and 100. Do you remember? 90 और 100 के बीच में कितने prime numbers थे?
Sir, 97.
Only one prime number, right? Only one prime number, 97, is there in between 90 and 100, right? Smallest odd composite number. Smallest odd composite number is 9, right? Now pair of twin primes between 70 and 80. Only one pair was there, 71 and 73. Number that is neither prime nor composite. Which number?
1.
1, right?
1.
Okay, fine. 1 is the right answer. Now next question. Name 2 primes with product 6. 6 कौन से 2 प्राइम नंबर के प्रोडक्ट हैं?
2 and 3.
Right. 2 and 3. First, 35.
7 and 5.
Right, very good. 7 and 5. And 91. 91.
13 and 7.
Pardon?
13 and 7.
Very good. 13 and 7. Right. Now the second question. Name 2 primes with sum 42. 42 किन 2 प्राइम नंबर्स के सम हैं? You can make 2-3 combinations. कोई भी एक कॉम्बिनेशन बता दो. जैसे एक कॉम्बिनेशन मैं बना रहा हूँ, 19 plus 23. Don't make this combination again. Any other combination you want to make?
39 plus 3.
39. 39 is not a prime number. 29 plus 13 कर सकते हो. You can make 29 plus 13.
37 plus 4.
4 is
Sir.
not a prime number.
Sir, 37 plus 5.
Okay, fine. अभी इसका आंसर अभी मैं लिख रहा हूँ 19 plus 23. Right. Next one is 60. 60 you can write. How will you write 60? 2 prime numbers. एक मैं लिख रहा हूँ 7 plus 53. Right? Any other combination you can make? You can make with 43 also. 43 plus
Sir, 41 plus 9.
9 is not a prime number. और 41 plus 9 50 होता है. 43 plus 17.
Sir, 37 plus 29.
37 plus 29.
23.
23, right, very good. Okay, fine. So अभी हम लोग 7 plus 53 ले रहे हैं. 84 का बताओ अब. 84. 84 मैं एक एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ. 31 plus 53. Can you make any one? You can make with 43. क्या ऐड करोगे तो 43 से क्या ऐड करोगे तो 84 आएगा. 41.
30.
Okay, 41. चलो अभी एक एग्जांपल. 31 plus 53 is 84. Now next question we are moving. Express each of the following numbers as the sum of twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers means दोनों का डिफरेंस 2 होना चाहिए. ऑलरेडी 8 का हम लोग डिस्कस किए थे. 3 plus 5. 24. 24 how will you write? 11 plus 13. Okay. 84 अभी बताया था मैं 84.
41 plus 43.
Very good. 41
Sir,
plus 43. Right. Next question. Now we are moving towards the last question. express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd prime numbers. So how will you write 33? 3 odd prime numbers. 3 plus 13 plus 17 is equals to 33. How will you make 35? Anybody? 35. The same combination you can take with
5 plus
3 plus 13 plus 19. 5 plus बोलो.
5 plus 13 plus 17.
5 plus 13
19 plus 13 plus 3.
14 is not a
5
prime
plus-
number.
5 plus 13 plus
So 19 plus 13 plus 3.
19 plus 13 plus 3 अभी मैं बताया था. Okay, fine.
Sir.
Wait.
Sir.
5 plus 7 plus 23 is equals to 35. Okay. Now the
Sir,
last one.
8 plus
8 is not a prime number. 8 is not a prime number.
5 plus 13 plus 17.
13 plus 17. Right. Very good. Correct है. That is also correct. Okay. Now last one. 49. 49 एक combination में बना रहा हूँ. 7, 13, 29. You make one more combination. Start with 5. 5 plus 13 plus 31. एक और combination बना लिया हूँ मैं. एक और बनाओ जल्दी से. One more you can make. 23 से बना सकते हो. 23 में कितना ऐड करने से आएगा? 26. How will you write? 7 plus 19. ये भी आ गया. देखो 30, 49. Okay. So this is the last question of today's session. Now we are moving toward the last another section, that is assignment questions. So I will post through Google Classroom. Okay. That's all for today's session. Thank you very much.